Imagine the cost of significant downtime in a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility, where every hour offline can result in substantial financial losses. This was the reality for a pharmaceutical company struggling with a critical centrifuge problem. For weeks, they relied on outdated cleaning methods, hand cleaning with chemicals and solvents, involving extensive manpower and causing prolonged downtime. Traditional methods meant disassembling operational equipment, leading to multiple streams of expenses and inefficiencies. Despite their best efforts, the pharmaceutical company faced 3 weeks of costly downtime, desperately searching for a faster, more effective solution. The stakes were high, and the pressure was mounting. That's when IST sprang into action. Contacted urgently by the pharmaceutical company's operations manager, our team arrived the very same day for a thorough facility evaluation. We understood the gravity of their situation and were ready to provide a revolutionary solution. After a swift assessment, we determined that our advanced dry ice blasting could have them back online in just 8 hours. No chemicals, no VOCs, no water, just clean, efficient, and compliant results. Dry ice blasting effectively cleaned the centrifuge, removing all residues and contaminants without the need for disassembly. Our pharmaceutical equipment cleaning services and centrifuge cleaning services mitigated corporate compliance risks and significantly reduced downtime from weeks to mere hours. The pharmaceutical company's operations were swiftly restored, saving them from further financial loss and operational stress. If you are an operations manager, facility director, maintenance director, or plant manager looking for pharmaceutical equipment cleaning companies or centrifuge cleaning companies, IST provides cutting-edge solutions that redefine industrial cleaning. Contact us today to learn how we can minimize your downtime and maximize your efficiency.